Over at CommSec for a look at the markets. What's the read from overseas overnight?
Well, it has been, yes, a fairly volatile session, and that's because of the latest inflation figures in the United States. That's what markets were waiting on. 0.5% for the latest month increase, 6.4% over the year. Economists would have liked something a little bit, lower than that. If you look at the core measure, strips out some of the more volatile elements, that was up by 0.4% or 5.6% over the year. They were wanting basically something like 5.5%. So a little degree of disappointment. Has been a fairly volatile range for the Dow Jones, tracked through something like a 500-point range, but currently sort of racing some of the losses down in the order of 60 points. The broader market, Standard & Poor's 500, is actually up by 0.1%, and the Nasdaq up by around about 60 points or half of 1%. We did see some gains in Europe. The European markets were up by just a smidgen, just 0.1%, and what this all means for our market is a gain of around about 12 points at the start of trade. One thing which is going to be holding us back today is that the oil price is down by a bit over 1%, NYMEX down by 1.3%, but will be assisting us in some way as the iron ore price up 44 cents or 0.4%. The Reserve Bank Governor faces the Senate Budget Committee sort of around about 11:15 Canberra time, and of course then on Friday he faces the House Economics Committee at 9:30 Canberra time. So busy couple of days for the Reserve Bank Governor. Busy couple of days for earnings as well today. Commonwealth Bank, Fortescue, Cochlear, Computershare and Wesfarmers are amongst those that are going to be reporting their results.